Every time the word news trading is mentioned, you see a lot of reactions from Forex traders. Some are afraid, some are confident, some are go all the way. They go hard or they go home. That mindset. So in this video today, I want to show you how to trade the fundamentals or the news trading, as we call it, how to trade it profitably without the fear of major impact news or without getting your account blown off. All right, guys, welcome back to the Crown Traders. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader, and in this video, I would like you to work with me and see 3 categories of persons. First of all, category number 1, category number 2, category number 3, all in this video, just a brief mini video, 30 minutes, and then at the end of it, I will share with you step-by-step process on how to trade the news without getting your account blown off. If you are ready, so am I. Let's get right into it. That's Powell, Jerome Powell, President of the Federal Reserve. Oops, CPI.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Of course. Category number 1 has passed.
1K account management.
The actions of category number 1 is impacting the market. Oh, sorry. That capital is gone.
It can take your money eventually.
This is category number 2 playing out now. Well, it's not funny anyway. It's not funny.
Yes!
Alright, so let's get to the next one. Was doing very well. The market was calm. Everything was going as planned. And then just a few seconds to CPI. That's Jerome. Just was about getting on the podium to make an announcement.
1 sec to CPI.
What? Boom! Account is gone. All the trades have been closed.
My friends traded CPI with no take profit
Again?
or stop loss.
Oh no. This is crazy. See what people do in the name of news trading. You see that? See, just keep losing money. It's very painful. Just look at that. Look at that. And then the last category. This is the last category. You need to watch this. You see the beauty of it when you know what you are doing.
Let's go check.
That's what. Same news, same impact, different approach. Most likely, same pairs or category of pairs, volatile pairs, GBP, USD, and gold. They're always very volatile and used for high impact news. Look at that. Just look at that. Just look at the beauty of that. Did you see the beauty of that? That is very beautiful. Now, man, that is interestingly beautiful. So right now, I'll explain to you how the news trading works and how you can take advantage of it. Follow me. Are you tired of losing trades, chasing signals, and struggling to find consistency in the Forex market? Hello, welcome. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader, with 9 years plus experience in Forex trading. I have mentored students across Africa and the entire globe, helping them trade with clarity,
confidence and profitability. At the Crown Traders Academy, we teach principles, simplicity, and profitability. This is no gimmicks, just real forex trading education that transforms how you see and trade the market. Our complete mentorship program is valued at $1,000, but for a limited time, we are giving a whopping 80% discount. That means you pay only $200 to secure your spot and lifetime assets with the following condition to have access to our SRA trading model. Do this. Number one, click on any brokerage link in the description below and register. Number two, fund your registered account with at least $50. Number three, send a screenshot of your $200 for your mentorship and your $50 funded in your trading account via WhatsApp to be added to our global mentorship group. Join the Crown Traders Academy today, where we empower traders, transform life, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe. Register now. Offer ends soon. See you on the other side. Blessings.
So guys, this is the part where I explain to you how the concept of news trading or fundamentals work. And please, a warning, you are not going to use this alone. You have to use it alongside with your sentimental analysis, your technical analysis, the use of price movement, to be able to gauge, to use the three of them, sentimental, technical, and fundamentals, to become profitable in the market. But what it will do to you is that it will take away fear. It will also help you approach the market with confidence, and you can use your own approach or join our mentorship as just explained, and you will be able to adequately trade the market with or without the fear of news or high impact news. So let's get straight into it. I want to be using a school setting to illustrate how you can trade the financial market very profitably. So in a school setting, we have 5 persons in this scenario, and number one, A here is our principal. Principal here represents the news house. The news house, they are responsible for making announcements such as NFP that happens every first Friday of the month. That's 12 months, we have 12 NFPs announcements, and then at certain times, which is usually 2:30 p.m. GMT +1 Nigerian time. Now, the B here, we also have adults. Our adults represent institutions, banks, big banks, the Barclays, and then liquidity providers, HSBC, Bank of China, and the likes of them. They also are part of the grand financial market. They are interested in candy. Now, candy, I want to skip from C, I want to go to D. Candy here, it represents price movement. Since I'm explaining it, candy here represents price movement in pips. Okay, so we are also we're interested in taking or capturing a lot of pips as much as possible. So kids who are the lovers of candy, right? Kids who are the lovers of candy are willing to buy. Okay, they are willing to buy. The kids here represent retail traders, you and I, who are willing to buy candy pips. They are willing to buy. Buy simply means demand. Do you understand? It's a demand level or zone. Okay, wherever you see kids excited, there is a lot of purchasing power. Price is cheap, right? Now, the candy vendors are the sellers or supply zone that are willing to sell. Do you understand? So in a typical market scenario, let's take for example NFP that is about to happen sometimes every first week of the month. Let's say just 10 minutes before time, market is moving in its own calm, in tranquility. There is no disturbance. Everybody is trading all the approaches they've deemed fit to trade and taking pips. And then few moments before that time, you will now find out that there is a lot of volatility introduced into the market by an announcement. Already we know that 2:30 p.m. GMT +1, we are having this news. So that already, the market is also anticipating that news. We, the retail traders, are already responding to that particular announcement. which is NFP, right? We're already responding to that particular announcement and we are scared. Some people are already taking buy orders, some people are taking sell orders, some people are doing all manner of things. But the market movers or institution, they tend to drive price into the demand level closer to the time of the news before they now drive price against all your orders, your demand, or let's assume you want to take a buy order and institution will just come, drive price before the news into this your demand level. You'll be expecting, oh, they are going to buy, and then they will now take out all these orders, and because you are already in this buy and you are taking out, you'll be anticipating to sell. Oh, it's going to sell, and then price will now, you want to sell here, price will now still go ahead and take out your sell orders into supply levels, take out every order that is in those supply levels as well to the upside, and then goes into the original direction that it ought to move. So the big banks knows that every news is just an introduction of volatility that just scares off the little children at the time being, so that when price has taken out liquidity, they have grabbed the money both on the buyers and the seller side, then they can now take advantage of that tranquility and take all the money in the market. So when you are trading the market, what you need to look out for is to wait for the big moves, those first volatile moves. If they come on a demand level, price, they push price, take out the liquidity up on a supply level here. They also take out the liquidity on the supply level, and then it comes down. You are waiting for all the stops, hunts, or the fake breakouts to happen before you can now take advantage into those levels that you would want to trade. Now, like I said, so with this analysis or simple illustration, you can be able to use your structures to take advantage of the market. Structures, higher highs, higher lows, and the likes of them. You can be able to use it and see where the market is hunting for your stop losses and move with the big bangs. So guys, that's just it. That's just a simple secret. You don't have to be afraid of trading the news, because every news pushes price away from the demand level into the supply level, or it pushes price from the supply level into the demand level. That's just it. So if you can identify where your demand and supplies are, wait for it to be taken out by every high impact news, then you can take advantage of both the sells and the buys position as you would. So thank you so much for joining. I hope this will help you become profitable, more calm, confident with your approach, and trade every news, whether it's high, low, or medium impact news. Thank you, and see you in subsequent videos. Thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, share, invite family and friends, and trade profitably. Thank you so much. Cheers.